Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your ultimate destination for the latest updates in the world of luxury automobiles and RVs. Today, we're diving into the world of high-end motorhomes with the all-new 2025 Tiffin Phaeton. A name that has become synonymous with comfort, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge design in the Class A diesel motorhome market. The 2025 model builds on its legendary status and delivers a refined road experience that takes luxury travel to a whole new level. The Tiffin Phaeton is more than just a motorhome. It's a mobile luxury residence designed for those who expect more from life on the road. Built on a sturdy Freightliner chassis, the 2025 Phaeton offers top-tier diesel performance, seamless handling, and rock-solid dependability. This model stands out not only for its engineering but also for its sophisticated looks and premium interior finishes that rival five-star hotels. From the outside, the 2025 Phaeton makes a bold impression. With full body paint available in multiple striking color packages, chrome-accented mirrors, and sleek aerodynamic lines, this RV blends elegance with function. The integrated Girard power awnings with LED lighting not only add a stylish touch but also provide ample shade for outdoor lounging. The panoramic windshield and dual-pane windows enhance visibility and insulation, making it ideal for any weather condition. Additional exterior features include a powered slide-out basement tray, ample storage compartments, and optional solar panels, which make off-grid adventures more feasible than ever. Step inside the 2025 Phaeton, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a luxury condo than a motorhome. With multiple floor plans ranging from 37 to 45 feet, the interior is tailored for comfort, versatility, and space. Polished porcelain tile floors, handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, and soft-touch leather furniture elevate the ambiance. The living area includes ultra-comfortable theater seating, an electric fireplace, and a retractable smart TV, perfect for relaxing evenings on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with solid-surface countertops, a residential-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a dishwasher, making meal prep feel effortless. The bedroom is a sanctuary of its own with a king-size memory foam mattress, ceiling fan, ample wardrobe space, and a second smart TV. Depending on the floor plan, you can even opt for a stacked washer and dryer for added convenience. The bathroom features a glass-enclosed shower, solid-surface vanity, and luxury tile detailing, turning daily routines into spa-like experiences. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Phaeton is powered by a Cummins 380 HP or 450 HP diesel engine, depending on the chosen model. It delivers exceptional torque and smooth power delivery, ideal for long highway journeys or climbing mountain grades. The independent front suspension and air ride system ensure a stable, quiet ride. Tiffin also includes its custom Powerglide chassis on select models, providing even better road handling and durability. Safety and tech are also a strong suit of the 2025 Phaeton. You'll find a suite of driver assistance features like collision mitigation, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The cockpit includes a digital dashboard, integrated GPS, and side and rear view cameras for enhanced maneuverability. On the connectivity front, there's a Wi-Fi extender, satellite prep, and multiplex wiring for centralized control via touchscreen or mobile app. As for the price, the 2025 Tiffin Phaeton starts at around $450,000, but fully loaded models with all options and upgrades can cross the $550,000 mark. While that may sound steep, the value it offers in terms of luxury, reliability, and performance makes it a top pick among premium motorhomes. It's perfect for retirees planning full-time RV living, adventurers looking for the ultimate travel comfort, or even families who want their home to follow them wherever they go. What truly sets the 2025 Phaeton apart is its perfect blend of luxury and practicality. It's a motorhome built by travelers for travelers, with every detail reflecting Tiffin's decades of experience and dedication to excellence. Whether you're chasing sunsets across the coast or parking by the mountains, the Phaeton ensures you do it in the finest way possible. Thanks for tuning into Auto Vibes. If you enjoyed this review and want more on the latest in luxury motorhomes and high-end vehicles, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the Phaeton across the country or park it at your favorite lakeside retreat? See you next time with more Auto Vibes that move your soul and elevate your lifestyle.